Rider Japan, welcome. Right, quick repair today. I was out on the bike a couple of nights ago, really cold, and it was sort of, I don't know how to describe it, it sort of sounded a bit kind of like woolly, a bit like woofly at low revs. I thought that was a bit different, but I thought maybe it's just so cold, it's like 3 degrees out. But anyway, next time I went out on it, next time I wanted to go out on it, I thought, oh yeah, it sounded a bit weird. I'll just check it, had a look, and found that. Studs missing. Come out. Never knew that was possible, but there it is. So obviously got to fix that. So I've got to take some bits off it. I've got the studs, we'll screw one back in, and then hopefully it's as simple as that. Seen better days. Oh my god, totally loose. Test this one. Tell you what, I'm going over everything to do with this exhaust. I'm going over every single bolt and nut and tightening it all up. That was a bit shocking. Look at that. How that's ready to come out. That was alright. Who feared this? I did. Fucked up on this one. Totally loose. Right. These nuts were 13 mil. Didn't expect that. Right, can I wiggle this out now? No, I can't. Okay, a bit of wiggling and it's out. Look how black and sooty that is. I don't think it's meant to be like that. Oh well. Screw that in, hopefully. My hand is stuck behind the other pipe if you're wondering why I've still got the span on it. Literally can't let go of it. First time starting it up in a few days. Should be alright. I did a video, I think it was the last video I did, was talking about I fixed the cold start issues. Let's see if I can make it work again. So 2 clicks out, let the fuel pump do its thing, pump throttle.